Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to install Python library offline mode. My system 64-bit Windows 7. I will install ttk-bootstrap modern tk inter user interface and pre-required file pillow. I already download pillow and ttk-bootstrap. Copy folder path. Now run command promote accessories, command promote, type cd, then paste path, enter. Now type copy pillow file name, pre-requirement file, copy this pillow file name, wheel file name, python space -m space pip install, paste file name dot wheel file namer pore whl dot wheel, then enter. আমার দেখেন আমার কম্পিউটার অফলাইন মডেল, no network in my computer. Successfully installed pillow library. Now I will install ttk bootstrap modern tk inter user interface. Copy this wheel file name, same procedure. Again type python space -m pip install, paste ttk bootstrap wheel file name dot wheel whl, then enter. Successfully installed ttk bootstrap. No internet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.